In this video, we are going to talk about the Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve, and we're going to give you an update on where are we right now, especially na Bitcoin is right now replicating a very similar move which we have seen some previous movement around 2015 up until 2017, and we're going to dive in with that movement, as well as we're going to give you a quick update with the very short term. Well, stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gab's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. So yeah, let's now dive into this video and let's give you first an understanding kung ano ba yung Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve. Just a quick review video lang. Quick review muna kung ano ba ibig sabihin nito para sa mga baguhang viewers natin. So basically, the logarithmic growth curve is actually a data model using the historical Bitcoin price action, and then using the historical Bitcoin price action, ginamit natin yung kanyang previous data as a way of determining yung ating magiging prediction for the next few years. So as you can see, gamit yung mga previous data natin, ginamit natin siya in determining yung ating magiging forecasted movement. Forecasted meaning yun yung ating prediction or predicted move based from the historical data. So as you can see, following this historical data, it shows us that usually what happens with Bitcoin is usually pag umabot tayo sa lowest part ng ating logarithmic growth curve, we usually enter into a very long consolidation and usually takes around 1 to 2 years or minsan 3 years pa nga. And as you can see, we have seen those instances multiple times wherein this is a very long consolidation area. So as you can see, after a massive run up and then after a decline, we are more likely going to see a very long consolidation. And that has been very accurate for the past previous market cycle na nga. And then right now, Bitcoin is entering this similar consolidation area na it's more likely going to take years. Kasi as you can see, similar to sa previous movement, nag-enter tayo sa long consolidation roughly around 2 years. And as you can see right now, Bitcoin has entered into this long consolidation na nga. And roughly, it has been already more than a year na nga. And more than a year na is actually showing us na you're still continuing this consolidation. But ito yung kagandahan nito kasi after every consolidation comes a bigger uptrend or a bigger bull market. So as you can see, after a very long consolidation, nagkakaroon tayo ng massive bull market. Same goes dito, after a very long consolidation, nagkaroon tayo ng massive bull market. Same goes dito, another long consolidation, then a massive bull market. So right now, as you can see, the more na we delay the bull market, the longer na magkakaroon tayo ng malaking potential for an uptrend movement. So as you can see, a long consolidation is actually a good thing. And in this case, if you're going to wait this one out for a very long consolidation, we might actually see this consolidation end up until the end of this year. So more likely around 2024 na yung malaking uptrend. But yun nga, nonetheless, as you can see, during a consolidation, even though na nagko-consolidate tayo sideways, uptrend pa rin yung movement natin. It's just that it's not like a parabolic move na talagang packet na ng todo-todo. Ang nangyayari lang is, akit siya ng paunti-unti, tapos consolidate, akit ng unti-unti, consolidate, akit ulit ng paunti-unti, tapos consolidate. So, similar din sa nangyayari kay Bitcoin ngayon, ganun yung nangyayari ngayon sa ating long-term consolidation, which is akit siya ng konti dito kay Bitcoin, then consolidate, akit ng konti, then consolidate. Then more likely makita tayo ng movement for our consolidation is akit ulit siya ng konti, then consolidate. So, yun yung magiging trend ng ating long-term consolidation dito sa ating Bitcoin logarithmic growth curve. And take note, this might take up until the end of the year, yung ganong akit ng onte, then consolidate, akit ng onte, then consolidate. Kasi basically, that is yun yung tinitingnan natin na long-term consolidation or consolidation phase sa ating Bitcoin market. So, yeah, right now sa ating market cycle, we are at that very long consolidation phase na nakita natin dito with the Bitcoin price action. And yeah, right now, it is actually a very good time to invest for the long term. And take note guys, hindi pa kayo marunong mag-trade ng Bitcoin, you can actually check out our Gab's Crypto 101 playlist. You can find the description down below. Meron tayong tutorial playlist doon on how to trade cryptocurrencies for free, as well as ano ba yung inyong trading style, as well as yung identity nyo when it comes to trading. So make sure to check out that Crypto 101 playlist na you can find the description down below. But yeah, ano pa ba yung update natin dito? So, yeah, let's now dive into the very short term kasi that is basically what we are seeing dito sa ating logarithmic growth curve for the month of May na nga. And now, let's now dive into the very short term kasi as you can see, in the very short term, as you can see, di ba yung ating previous update is ang monitor natin is this red area or basically this resistance na nakikita natin. So, previously, this red area is a support area. So as you can see, in a bull market, that has acted as a support area kung saan tayo nagkakaroon ng malaking bounce, and a bounce, bounce, bounce. Right now, that is acting right now as a resistance, and as you can see, Bitcoin is still getting a lot of resistance dito sa ating red area na yan. So as of now, I'm still expecting more consolidation dito kay Bitcoin, and I think may nakikita tayo dito potential move right now. So as you can see, if we're going to zoom in dito, let's try to look at this within the hourly time frame. In the hourly time frame, you can see now we are potentially forming a rising wedge, and traditionally a rising wedge is a bearish pattern to the downside. It usually breaks to the downside, and ang usual movement nito is a uptrend, and then after nyan, dapat yung RSI natin is declining. So let's try to check the RSI. Yung RSI natin hindi masyado consistent, but yun nga, if ever na magkaroon tayo ng candle close below this area, then we might see Bitcoin go down up until the bottom of the pricing wedge, which is around the 28,200. So if let's say Bitcoin breaks this, then we might see this Bitcoin price action go down up until the 28,200 US dollars. So yeah, right now that is what we are currently seeing dito for the very short term. But if let's say yung ating different case dito, yung ating worst case scenario lang naman dito is if let's say this breaks bullish, then ang mangyayari is we're just going to get tight and lagyan natin sa possible point of breakout. But yeah, that is less likely kasi traditionally a rising wedge is a bearish pattern to the downside. And yeah, make sure to trade that guys with BYBIT kasi dito kay BYBIT, mas mura yata yung Bitcoin trading fees. And if wala pa kayo account with BYBIT, make sure to use my sign up link na you can find the description down below. And yeah, yun muna update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please hit this video a like. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.